In this video, you'll learn how to get around KNIME Analytics Platform. Let's jump into it. Start KNIME Analytics Platform and select a workspace. This is the directory where your workflows will be stored on your local machine. You now see the entry page. Here you have access to some example workflows to get you oriented right away. The next section is your local space, which refers to the local directory on your computer where all your KNIME workflows and files are stored. You can click here to browse your local space, or click the plus button to create a new empty workflow. Let's open one of the example workflows to take a closer look at the user interface. At the top you can see the Application tab to switch between the currently open workflows and the entry page. In the middle, you'll see the Workflow Editor, where the magic of building workflows takes place. Select a node and execute it to see its outputs in the node monitor below. If a node has more than one output, you can switch between them by selecting the corresponding tab. To the left, you'll find the side panel navigation. At the top, you find the Description tab, which provides the documentation of the selected node or a description of the current workflow if no specific node is selected. Below, you can see the Node Repository tab. In this tab, you can search and browse for nodes and drag and drop your selected node into the workflow editor. Next, you can see the Space Explorer tab. When you click on it, the Space Explorer opens in the folder of the current workflow. From here, you can also browse the workflows, folders, and data stored in your local space. There are more features worth noting during this tour of KNIME Analytics Platform. The node action bar above a node contains the buttons to configure the node and control its execution. You can also execute, cancel, and reset one or all nodes from the workflow toolbar. Adding nodes is faster using the Quick Node Adding panel. Simply drag and drop the output of a node to an empty space. Browse through the recommended nodes that appear in the panel and select which node to append. Speaking of adding nodes, it's important to note that when opening KNIME Analytics Platform versions 5 and up for the first time, you'll see by default the Starter perspective. This means you'll find a targeted set of nodes for commonly performed data manipulation tasks, especially for beginners and spreadsheet users. If a node that you're looking for doesn't show up, click More Advanced Nodes to see the full list. This behavior can be changed in the settings. Finally, notice that the blue nodes are special nodes because they create visualizations. Click the magnifier in the node action bar to open the node view in a new window. In this video, you've learnt how to get around KNIME Analytics Platform. You can now start building your first workflow. Happy KNIMing!